equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the HP 14 Candelas laptop. Today, we'll cover the essential steps to keep your device running smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. It's crucial to clean out any dust that may have accumulated. Take your can of compressed air and gently blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This helps prevent overheating and keeps your laptop running efficiently. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, let's focus on the RAM and hard drive. If you're comfortable, you can remove the RAM sticks by gently pushing the clips on either side. Clean the contacts with a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. This ensures a good connection when you reinstall them. Now, check the hard drive. If it's a traditional HDD, ensure it's securely connected. If you have an SSD, make sure it's clean and free from dust. Remember, a clean hard drive can significantly improve performance. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel on and screw it back in place. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling. Before we finish, let's talk about software maintenance. Regularly update your operating system and drivers to ensure optimal performance. If you're unsure about how to do this, we can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify any issues. Finally, remember to keep your laptop in a clean environment and avoid eating or drinking near it. This simple habit can prevent many common issues. If you need assistance, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. That wraps up our maintenance guide for the HP 14 Candelas. By following these steps, you can ensure your laptop remains in excellent condition for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.